Hey everyone, welcome back to GadgetVerse. Today we're checking out a grill that completely changes backyard cooking, the Traeger Pro 22 Wood Pellet Grill and Smoker in the stunning bronze finish. If you love smoky BBQ flavor but want modern convenience, this might be one of the best pellet grills you can buy right now. The Traeger Pro 22 is a 6-in-1 cooking machine, which means you can grill, smoke, bake, roast, braise, barbecue, and even char grill your favorite foods all in one system. Instead of dealing with charcoal mess or inconsistent gas heat, this grill uses real hardwood pellets to create authentic wood-fired flavor with surprisingly simple controls. One of the biggest highlights is the massive 572 square inches of cooking space. That's enough room for multiple racks of ribs, burgers for the whole family, brisket, chicken wings, steaks, or even pizzas. Whether you're cooking for a weekend gathering or just meal prepping for the week, the Pro 22 has plenty of room. The digital temperature control system makes cooking easy for beginners and experienced grill masters alike. Just set your target temperature and let the Traeger maintain steady heat automatically. It can reach up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you flexibility for low and slow smoking or high heat grilling. Another great feature is the included meat probe. Instead of constantly opening the lid and losing heat, you can monitor internal food temperatures accurately while cooking. That means juicier steaks, perfectly smoked brisket, and less guesswork overall. The 18-pound pellet hopper is also a major advantage because it allows for long cooking sessions without constant refiling. This is especially useful for overnight smoking sessions or large BBQ parties. Just load your favorite wood pellets like hickory, mesquite, apple, or cherry and enjoy different flavor profiles for every meal. Design-wise, the bronze finish gives the grill a premium outdoor look while the durable steel construction helps it handle long-term use. The all-terrain wheels make moving it around the patio or backyard easier than expected. What really makes the Traeger Pro 22 popular is how it combines traditional wood-smoked flavor with modern convenience. You get authentic BBQ taste without constantly babysitting the fire. For anyone wanting restaurant-style smoked food at home, this grill delivers an impressive experience. If you want easier outdoor cooking with rich smoky flavor and versatile performance, the Traeger Pro 22 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing tech and outdoor gear reviews. And if you want to grab the Traeger Pro 22 for yourself, check the Amazon link in the description below.